I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by naming specific triggers and patterns you notice in yourself. Say the names aloud and note physical sensations each time. Write for 15 minutes each day about feelings, urges, and triggering events. Use this brief journal to spot repeating themes and facts. Recognize that insecurity often comes from past hurts, not current reality. Tell yourself that memory does not equal present proof. This awareness creates space for choice and calmer responses. Return to this practice for at least 3 weeks to build clearer perspective. Practice calm sharing using I statements, not accusations, in tense moments. Speak for yourself and name one feeling and one want each time. Ask for one supportive behavior you want and offer one you will give. Be specific and small when requesting changes. Schedule a weekly 30-minute check-in to review feelings and needs together. Make that time routine and distraction-free. Use a timer and alternate listening and speaking turns. This creates safety and predictable repair after unavoidable conflicts. Invest 30 minutes daily in self-care like exercise, reading, or meditation. Use this time to strengthen identity outside the relationship and increase calm. Practice grounding for 60 seconds when anxiety spikes to reduce reactivity and lower adrenaline. Name 5 sensory details during grounding to anchor attention in the present. Celebrate small wins by naming one secure choice you made each day. Share that victory briefly with your partner when appropriate. Over time, these habits compound and shift attachment toward greater trust and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.